I've transitioned to a remote working environment, and while this is great for my personal life, I've encountered some new challenges getting my work done and maintaining connection with my boss and teammates. As a structural engineer, I need access to my team's CAD data, so I can run simulation studies on the models, and then be able to share the results back with the team. But since I don't have access to the same resources I had back in the office, it's hard to keep up. This is where the 3DEXPERIENCE platform has saved the day. When it comes to accessing the CAD data, I can open it directly from our secure, cloud-based repository from anywhere with an internet connection. From there, I can access the SIMULIAworks apps I need and get to work without any data export or import. And look at that! I even have my own personal assistant letting me know how well I'm doing. When it's time to solve the simulation study, I can send the job to run on the cloud and move on with the rest of my day. And when I'm ready, I can simply log back in and process the results. Things are looking good to me, but I wonder what the rest of the team is thinking. And this is where the platform really shines. Everyone on the team can access my results directly from their web browser, and even my boss can see how productive I've been at home. But collaboration doesn't end there. There's more to be discovered on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, from project planning, design tools, data management, and much more. So what do you think? Do you want to try out the 3DEXPERIENCE platform and see what SIMULIAworks can do for you? Then start a conversation with us today.